Welcome back to Tech Breakdowns in 10-minute chunks. Today, we're diving into three major crypto projects: Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. How do they work? What sets them apart? And which one has the brightest future? Let's break it down, clearly, simply, and without the hype. Let's start with the pioneer, Ethereum. Launched in 2015, Ethereum was the first blockchain to support smart contracts. Tiny programs that automatically run when conditions are met. This gave birth to a whole ecosystem: DeFi, NFTs, DAOs, and beyond. Ethereum is like a giant decentralized computer. Developers write apps that run on it, and users pay gas fees in ETH to interact with them. It's the most used blockchain for smart contracts, with the largest developer community and battle-tested infrastructure. In 2022, Ethereum moved from proof of work to proof of stake, slashing its energy use by over 99%. But it's not perfect. It's slow, about 15 to 30 transactions per second, and fees can get expensive during peak demand. That's why developers are building Layer 2 solutions, like Arbitrum and Optimism, to take the pressure off Ethereum while still using its core security. Ethereum's future is about scaling smartly without sacrificing decentralization. Next up, Solana. This blockchain launched in 2020 with one goal: speed. It claims to handle up to 65,000 transactions per second, thanks to something called proof of history. Here's how it works. Solana timestamps transactions before they're processed, making it much faster than traditional blockchains that wait for consensus first. That means low fees, instant confirmations, and performance that feels like the internet. It's a favorite for NFT drops, gaming, and microtransactions, basically anything that needs real-time responsiveness. But the trade-off? It's less decentralized, with fewer validators and higher hardware requirements. And yes, network outages have happened multiple times in the past. Still, Solana keeps improving, and with mobile integration, like the Saga phone and the Firedancer validator coming, its roadmap is ambitious. Now let's talk about Avalanche, the most flexible of the three. Avalanche also launched in 2020, and it's built for modularity. It runs multiple chains in parallel and supports subnets, custom blockchains built on top of the Avalanche network. That means institutions and developers can create their own rules, tokens, and privacy settings, while still benefiting from the main network's speed and security. Transactions finalize in about 1 second, and fees are typically low. Avalanche is pushing hard into enterprise, tokenized real-world assets, and tailored use cases like regulated finance or blockchain gaming. Its biggest advantage? Customizability. Its biggest challenge? Adoption. It's still building its user base and tooling compared to Ethereum or even Solana. So how do they compare when we look ahead? Ethereum is like the Apple of blockchains. Trusted, polished, but not always the fastest. Solana is the speed demon, ideal for high-performance apps, but still working on reliability. Avalanche is the builder's platform, maybe less flashy, but incredibly flexible for custom networks and real-world integration. Ethereum brings trust. Solana brings speed. Avalanche brings flexibility. Which matters most? That depends on the future you believe in. Let us know in the comments. Which chain are you betting on? Thanks for watching Tech Breakdowns in 10-minute chunks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.